Welcome back to Eatsy, where if we can make sour spicy chicken rolls, then so can you. Sour and spicy chicken rolls originated from Sichuan province in China. The dish exemplifies the bold and complex flavors characteristic of Sichuanese cuisine. The making of this chicken roll is similar to the popular drunken chicken roll. While drunken chicken roll is a cold Chinese side dish, sour spicy chicken rolls could be eaten either cold or hot. Like many Szechuan dishes, this one can be quite spicy, so we'll make sure to show you just what you need to omit or increase so that you can make it as spicy or not spicy as you want. The meat that we're going to use for this dish is chicken legs and thighs. You can either purchase your deboned chicken thighs from the store, or you can debone them yourselves, whichever you prefer. If you use 3 legs and thighs, you'll have enough to make an entire plate of the dish. Place your chicken in a bowl, and we're going to add in about 5 slices of ginger, some lightly chopped green onion, and 2 to 3 tablespoons of cooking wine. Stir all that together, then set it aside and let it marinate for at least half an hour. While your chicken is marinating, we can prepare the sauce. In a small bowl, we're going to start with about a 1/4 cup of chopped cilantro. Then we're going to add 2 to 3 cloves of diced garlic, then about a teaspoon of diced ginger, about a teaspoon of diced green onion, and next you have to decide on how spicy you're going to make this. Because my family wanted me to be able to enjoy this dish as well, they only put in this small amount of fresh red chili peppers. But if you want it spicier, you can add as many chili peppers as you want. Our next ingredients for the sauce is 1 teaspoon of white sugar. Then 2 tablespoons of white vinegar. The white vinegar is where the sour comes from in sour and spicy chicken rolls. Next, we're going to add in 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, then 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, and then 1 teaspoon of peppercorn oil, and then 1 teaspoon of chili oil. Both of these oils bring some zing to the dish, so if you're spice adverse, make sure you cut down on both the peppercorn oil and the chili oil. Alternatively, you can feel free to toss in another teaspoon of the chili oil in particular, if you want it spicier. Lastly, you're going to add 2 tablespoons of water and then stir everything all together. The next step is to put a generous amount of saran wrap or plastic wrap or cling wrap or whatever you want to call it down on your workstation. If your chicken is particularly wide, you put down 2 strips with them overlapping in the middle. Roll your chicken over itself, and then wrap your saran wrap tightly around your chicken to make a sausage-like form. It's important that your chicken is only 1 piece, because if they're in multiple pieces, they'll try to slip out the sides. When your tube is complete, tightly twist the ends of the saran wrap until you make what looks like a large chicken sausage. So once again, the steps are: put your saran wrap on your work surface, roll your piece of chicken into a loose tube, and then tightly roll your saran wrap around it, making yourself a chicken sausage. If you have an extra hand in the kitchen, then you can get that individual to help you tie the ends closed. When you have the ends of your saran wrap chicken tube tied off, then you're going to wrap it a second time in a length of aluminum foil. Like the saran wrap, twist the aluminum foil tightly closed at the ends of your chicken sausage. Bring the water in your steamer up to a boil and then add in your 3 chicken sausages. Cover it with the lid and let it steam for half an hour. After the half hour, be careful removing them from the steamer because they're going to be extremely hot. Auntie just used her mad chopstick skills, but you can use tongs or oven mitts, just anything you have to protect your hands from the hot aluminum foil. Set the tubes aside and let them cool down for at least 15 minutes. Continue being cautious unwrapping them because they are still going to be hot. And if you wait a little longer before cutting them, they'll stay together a little bit better. Then, using a sharp knife, start at one end of your chicken sausage and cut them into slices. Arrange the slices in whatever design you want on a plate with high edges. Then grab your sauce that you made earlier and spoon it over the chicken. Make sure you add all the liquid that's in the bottom of your sauce bowl as well. And there you have it, sour and spicy chicken rolls. We recommend using dark chicken meat, but if you really wanted to, you could probably do it with white chicken breasts, just so long as they were cut thinly enough that they were easy to roll up. As mentioned in the start of the video, this dish could either be served hot or cold. Here we've served it alongside our shrimp and tofu soup, the video for which will be coming out soon. So if that sounds like something you'd be interested in, make sure you hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. If you enjoyed this video for our sour and spicy chicken rolls, please let us know by giving the like button a click. And if you try this recipe out for yourselves, we'd love to hear about it down in the comments. And as always, thank you so much for watching.